So winter greenhouses are perfect for growing winter spinach. You know, spinach loves the cool growing temperatures, and winter greenhouses are the perfect place to grow spinach. There are several varieties that do better in the winter greenhouses than others. So we'll share with you those varieties and 4 secrets to getting them through the coldest nights. Hello, my name is Lynn, creator of the High Performance Greenhouse e-course and Greenhouse Advisor for the Grow Network. And I've been growing spinach in my 5 greenhouses in the Rocky Mountains for over 37 years, and we harvest spinach all through the cold season from these greenhouses. Now, growing spinach in your greenhouse, it's really easy if you know what varieties to grow and learn a few garden skills to get your spinach through the coldest nights. So let's get started with what varieties to grow. So there are 3 types of spinach that we can choose to grow. There's Savoy, Smooth, or Arrowhead. And some of these types are better for winter and some are better for spring growing. Now for winter, I grow Smooth or semi-Savoy spinach. And I've noticed that the ice piles up in the Savoy leaves because they are so wrinkled. It does melt off as the sun heats up the greenhouse and the low tunnels, but I prefer the other varieties. Now the Arrowhead type doesn't seem to be as frost hardy, and it bolts faster than the smooth leaf types. So the specific varieties that I have grown are America, Matador Viking, Kookaburra, and Bloomsdale. Now getting the right variety is the first step to winter spinach success in our greenhouses. Now here are my 4 secrets to keeping the spinach thriving through the coldest nights without heating the greenhouse. All right, number 1, plant before the day length gets too short. You want to get established plants before the nights get too cold. So try to get your spinach planted after the summer heat has subsided, but before the day length gets too short. You know, mid-September to mid-October is a really good window. Number 2, keep the spinach on the dry side. When a plant is waterlogged, its natural antifreeze system is diluted, and the plant has a better chance of frost damage if the plant gets too wet. So my watering philosophy in the winter is only water when absolutely necessary. You know, you're going to be surprised as to how long a mature spinach plant can go without needing to be watered. Sometimes it's 3 weeks or longer between watering for my plants. All right, number 3 is low tunnels and cold frames. So I'll make a low tunnel or a cold frame inside my greenhouse over each bed, and this way I can cover each bed at night if the temperatures are going to dip below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the temperature that spinach leaves can start to get frost damage. Before we get to the last secret to keeping the spinach alive through the winter, I want to invite you to enroll in our High Performance Greenhouse e-course. So in this course, we teach you what type and size of greenhouses you need, how to plant it for the most food production, what plant varieties to grow, and so much more. So if you want to learn more about the e-course and get the special coupon just for our YouTube viewers, you can find this in the description below this video. So go down there and check it out. Number 4 is insulative covers. So over the low tunnels, I add 1 layer of 1.5 ounce insulative cover for each 10-degree drop in temperature below freezing. So for example, if it's predicted to go to 22 degrees Fahrenheit, I will put on 1 layer. If it's predicted to go to 12 degrees Fahrenheit, I will put on a 2nd layer of the 1.5 ounce frost blanket. This is about the maximum frost protection that you can get from the frost blankets. You want to be sure to remove the cover during the day so the plants can get the light and the air and the soil can warm up. So if you choose the right variety of spinach to grow, cover the beds in your greenhouse with insulative covers. You can grow tons of spinach during the cool season in your greenhouse. And if you'd like to learn the best varieties of kale to grow in your greenhouse in the winter, then go ahead and click here to go to the video.